Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. Today we're going to make a rolled paper flower. It's really one of the easiest paper flowers to get started with. So I have here a couple of pre-cut templates. I usually just start with the outermost edge of the roll and take a pair of tweezers and just get it started. After a couple of rolls, I like to just take the tweezers out and continue the roll with just my fingers. I find it a little bit easier that way. So I try to keep at least this initial roll really tight, and then I can loosen it as I go after I've rolled the entire spiral. So I just keep rolling it with my fingers, and depending on how heavy your cardstock is, it may be more or less flexible. So once in a while, with heavier cardstock, I have to sort of readjust it and flex the paper a little bit more before I continue on. So sometimes as you're rolling this, it gets a little bit loose and you have to sort of shove the center back into place, but that's normal. You just sort of restack it a little bit as you go. So I kept it tight until the very end, and then I fold the tab underneath loosely. And this part is really subjective. I like to put a dollop of glue on the bottom and then unravel a little bit depending on the actual shape of the petal and how long my spiral is. I just sort of see as I go what looks best and how to overlay the petals so that it looks nice. So I have 3 templates here cut out already, but I have many more on my website. You can get all these templates for free in my resource library at domesticheights.com.